Hi, my name is Caro, and I'm going to talk to you about this huge business that is going to create a very new world. Well, for the beginning, we must know that there's a lot of pollution in the world, in the waters, in the air, but specifically today and in this topic, I am going to talk to you about the water pollution and how is this going to create a business in all the entire world. Well, we must know that water is so polluted because of all the waste that we generate, not only us as humans, but also all the factories out there. And that's why an achievement happened in the MIT in the Department of Material Science in the United States. A person called Patrick Doyle and their team created a rapid removal of micropollutants from water. That's why they won an award of 150K. This is going to help them to build a pilot-scale water treatment system for testing sustainable hydrogel particles. Why is this so important? We must know that we have these three economic sectors that are involved in the use of water. First, we have the primary sector that involves agriculture, fishing, and mining. This means that they create pollution, but also makes that the pollution come to us, to the final consumers in the water. Why? Because, for example, when we create waste in the oceans, those wastes go to the fishes, or also the earth absorbs it. So when we want to consume like fishes, or even when we are walking, we are taking those pollutants inside our bodies. That's so bad for us. In the secondary sectors, when there are the process of raw materials, some of these processes also create water pollution. And in the tertiary sectors, that are where services come from, especially the water service, we need, as humans, that needs this water so that the water isn't that polluted. So, how does this create a business in the entire America's market? Well, the technology of this new project is going to offer application in so many markets where micropollutant eliminations are vital, including municipal and industrial water treatment equipment, as well as household water purification systems. That's why they won this award that will allow the team to build and test these prototypes of water systems and identify the causes, and also to help the consumers to perform these techno-economic analysis. And also, when this is very well tested, that is going to work, they have already tested a lot, this specifically project is going to go to other markets to create a business plan. It's going to help to create so many business plans. Why? Well, because thanks to this elimination of micropollutants in water, every country is going to want to have them. Why? Because as a country, as governments, they want and need their countries to be without pollution, especially water pollution, which is such a very big and important topic right now, because as I said at the beginning, we need to reduce or eliminate those pollutants from water, because water is what we consume the most in our everydays. So this business plan is going to help to the MIT to get to a pretty big market, and also to start trading these hydrogel particles. We must know that United States have a lot of free trade agreements which are going to help them to get to other countries, but also is going to respect all the water culture that we have in the world. That right now the culture that we have being like sharing is to take care of this water and stop the waste in the waters, because we must know that 7% and 8% of our water is polluted in the entire world. So we need to reduce this pollution of water, and there's also water policies that creates the efficient water allocation that improve water resources management and governments. So with the help of this project, and when this is like already tested and approved, it's going to create a huge market, because it's going to be easier for the United States to start trading these hydrogel particles, because of the good politics that as a world, as a culture, have about the water, and also thanks to all the free trade agreements that they have. It's going to make this trade so much easier. Talking economically speaking, it's going to help United States to get a lot of money, the MIT to get a better position in the market, and also Patrick Doyle and their team to create and generate grants thanks to this commercialization. So the project could eventually lead up to start a company. This is going to generate a big impact in the United States, Mexico, Canada, Latin America, Japan, in the entire world, not only talking about the Americas, but also in the entire world, because it's going to help reduce all this pollution from water, and it's going to help us to create a better life, and creating campaigns, policies about water care, and also, as I mentioned, to create a big market, not only for them, but for the entire world. And that will be it. I believe that this business plan and strategy that they are taking and making and creating is going to create a very big impact in the United States economically speaking, but also in the entire world, in their economies, and also in the well-being of their population. Thank you very much.